Once you've paired your phone to the vehicle, all you need to do is ensure you have Bluetooth enabled on the device and the ignition on, and you're connected.
Okay.
So you can pair multiple devices to the vehicle if you want to. The vehicle, though, will always default back to the last paired device, so you may need to reselect your device if someone else is paired to the vehicle.
Well, I love the way you're being presumptuous that I'm going to let anyone else drive my new vehicle, by the way. But can we pair my phone now?
Absolutely, that's no problem. The ignition's already on, so let's go ahead and just tap the phone icon. Now, as we're pairing this device for the first time, select the phone icon to connect from the phone screen. And then using the phone now, you're going to search for Bluetooth devices.
Okay.
The vehicle's discoverable Bluetooth name is the same as the vehicle's name.
Oh, here it is, Range Rover Velar.
Now we're going to simply follow the on-screen instructions.
Okay, trying to let it pair.
Okay, that might take just a moment or two. Terrific.
Just vibrated.
Terrific. Now you just hit yes to
Okay.
confirm the pairing.
Absolutely perfect. So simple.